crazy nut. Oh, are you teething? Do cats lose their teeth?
I don't know.
Animal!
That sucks when he does that to your ankles in the morning. He kind of has it in about a week, but who knows after this little match.
I see. He's like, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Hey, you wanna hunt something? You wanna hunt something? If you ever come to my house, you'll kill my chipmunks.
Dee.
You done?
No, give me
No! No! You're crazy. You're crazy.
Oh, there's only one garage.
Oh. Hey, don't you scratch my face. You got my pinky.
You having fun, Daddy?
Yeah. I'm having a grand time, Ma. Ow! You bit me. Oh, you evil little monkey. Oh, he's all gentle.
Can you tell me who owns this car?
Why do you want to know?
I'd like to buy it.
It's not for sale. Belongs to one of my mechanics.
Ow.
Is he here?
No.
Ow.
Well, could we get his telephone number?
No. He's not on the phone. Okay, then his address.